Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to learn the concept of grammar, direct and indirect object. Today we are going to learn direct and indirect object. Here you know about which is the direct and which is the indirect object. Here you know about object. See a sentence. For example, my hobby is painting. My hobby is painting. See here, in this sentence, which is the subject here? My hobby. It is the subject. Then verb is, means it is a helping verb. It is a helping verb. And here painting was there. Then what is painting? Painting is the object. Means like this way, the structure of the sentence is subject, verb, object. Means like this way, normally the structure of the sentence is subject, verb, object. But sometimes in the sentence there is a double object. There is double object. Then see how there is a double object in the sentence. For example, she teaches us. She teaches us dressmaking. She teaches us dress making. She teaches us dress making. In this sentence, see now, which is the subject here? She. Okay, she is the subject. Then verb, teaches. Teaches is the verb. It is a main verb here. Here is not use any helping verb. Here use only main verb. And then us. What is us? It is also object. It is a object. And there is also a dressmaking. A dressmaking. Then what is dressmaking? Dressmaking also object. Means there is double object. In this sentence there use a double object. And that time we are saying that there is direct and indirect object in the sentence. See this sentence. She teaches us English. Means here she teaches to whom? Us. To us. Means us is here a indirect object. It is indirect object. It is indirect object. Then a dressmaking, it is a direct object. It is direct object. And she teaches us dressmaking. Understood? Means us is also, because us, it is a pronoun. And that's why it is object. Means used as a end of the sentence. Object is always at the end of the sentence. And here use double object. And that's why there is direct object and indirect object in the sentence. Means normally we know about subject, verb, object. But sometimes they use direct and indirect object. That's why you want to know about which is the direct object and which is the indirect object. And this one, it is very important because direct object come at the end of the sentence. Direct object normally come at the end of the sentence, and indirect object, it is come before the direct object. It is come before the direct. See here, means she teaches us is the object and dressmaking is us, but it is indirect object. Us is indirect object. It come before the direct object, the dressmaking. Means like this way, there is double object, and if there is a double object, that time we are saying that there is direct and indirect object in the sentence. if there is a question, in question also sometimes there is a double, because it is very important. We want to know about which is the direct object and which is the indirect object, because if when we are going to learn, when we will going to learn the next concept, change the voice or direct indirect speech, that time it is direct and indirect objects are very important, and that's why we want to know which is the direct object and which is the indirect object in the sentence. And if there is a question, for example, Dhoni said, will you marry me, Sakshi? Will you marry me, Sakshi? See this sentence. Means so Dhoni asked the question to Sakshi. Who is Dhoni? Cricketer, famous cricketer, Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And his wife name is Sakshi. Means he said, means it is a, we are taking here example. Dhoni said, will you marry me, Sakshi? Means he asked, will you marry me, Sakshi? Then in this question, see which is the verb here. We take the verb. When we are asking the question, that time it is a auxiliary verb that we take first for asking the question. And you is the subject here. Subject, it is auxiliary verb, and here will you marry. Marry is also main verb. And me is the object, and Sakshi is also object. Then in this sentence, Sakshi means in this question there is a subject you, and auxiliary verb means that will, and marry is the main verb, and me is the object, means indirect object. It is indirect object, and Sakshi is the direct object. Like this we have to find, means identify if there is a question which is the direct or indirect object. And like this we have to know about the direct and indirect object. Thank you.